Good afternoon everyone, myself Priyanka, Assistant Professor in Nursing Department of RPMS. Today we will discuss about the method of induction of labor. As in our previous topic we discussed about what is induction of labor and indication, contraindications. Now we will discuss about the methods in which we already discussed. First method, that is medical method, in which we use the prostaglandin, that is PGEF2, PGE1 and PGE2. So further now we will discuss about the surgical method of induction. This is prostaglandin and oxytocins, mifepristone. Now further we will continue with the surgical induction. So surgical induction, it has subdivided into three types. First is artificial rupture of membranes, the second is stripping of membrane, and next is low rupture of membrane. So one by one we discuss about all these subtypes of surgical method. So firstly, artificial rupture of membrane. So artificial rupture of membrane may be related with stretching of the cervix, separation of membrane and reduction of amniotic fluid volume. Effective depends on the state of cervix, station of the presenting part and advantage of amnioromy, that is high risk and high success rate. Next is chance to observe the amniotic fluid for blood or meconium. Assess to use fetal scalp. Limitation: it cannot be employed in any unfavorable cervix. The cervix should be at least 1 finger dilated. ये जो है, ये जो आर्टिफिशियल रप्चर ऑफ मेम्ब्रेन है, ये तभी हो सकता है जब 1 फिंगर डायलेटेशन हो, इसलिए। उसके बाद आता है हमारा इमीडिएट बेनिफिशियल इफेक्ट ऑफ आर्टिफिशियल रप्चर ऑफ मेम्ब्रेन: lowering of the blood pressure, pre-eclampsia and eclampsia, relief of maternal distress in hydramnios, control of bleeding in APH, relief of tension in abruptio placenta, and initiation of labor. Hazards: once the procedure is adopted, there is no score of retreating from the decision of delivery. चांस ऑफ अम्बिलिकल कॉर्ड प्रोलैप्स हो सकते हैं, इसमें इंजरीज हो सकती हैं प्लेसेंटल सर्विक्स और यूट्रस की, ल्यूकर एमनाई एम्बोलिज्म हो सकता है, जब एम्बोलिज्म बन गया तो वो कहीं पे भी जाके स्टक कर सकता है। उसके बाद आता है सेकंड मेथड, दैट इज़ लो रप्चर ऑफ मेम्ब्रेन. लो रप्चर ऑफ मेम्ब्रेन इज़ वाइडली प्रैक्टिसाइज्ड विद द high degree of success. The brains below the presenting part overlying internal are ruptured to drain some amount of amniotic fluid. Contraindications: it is preferably avoided in chronic hydramnios as there is a risk of sudden massive liquid drainage. उसके बाद आता है प्रोसीजर. Preliminaries: it is an indoor procedure. The procedure may be conducted in labor ward or in operation theatre. Actual steps: the patient is asked to empty her bladder. Full surgical asepsis is to be taken. 2 fingers are introduced into the vagina, smeared with antiseptic ointment. So this is all about today's topic, in which we discuss about the surgical method, in which we discuss about the artificial rupture of membrane, and second is low rupture of membrane. So this is all about today's topic. I hope you understood about this. Thank you so much. Please like, share, subscribe our channel of RPI Academics. Thank you.